All right. So next up, we have balancing risk and reward. So now that we know that the stock market in its various forms, or at least the securities industry in its various forms, is the most reliable way of growing your investments or growing your assets over a long term period. Again, in a diversified form, this does not negate things like insurance. It does not negate things like real estate. This is just one form of investing that plays a role in your overall game plan. And again, actually, that relates to this slide, right? In balancing out what your risk reward is, that is how you decide how much of your assets are allocated towards your real estate goals, how much of it is allocated towards your retirement goals, how much of it is allocated towards your more short term and immediate goals,